But look
Well,
at
what did we
this.
use? We did a little blue, a little yellow. And then when we started mixing it, it was kind of like light blue.
Yeah.
And what is
it's
it?
turning like lime green or something.
Ooh.
Or like teal.
Teal. And then what do you think it's going to be when it's all completely...
Now let's just leave it like this. This looks cool. No, this is actually like greenish.
Yeah, blue and yellow. What?
Wait, let's
What?
see if we can make a blend with a black color.
Try it.
But let me add some accessories.
Do it.